Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Zhongze. I'm a second-year Ph.D. candidate from the University of Hong Kong. And to start with, let us think about several questions first. First is, what's so special about modular integrated construction? There are different modular construction components with different production complexities. And as shown in this figure, MIC manufacturing has the most complex production process and the longest production durations. So if the traditional on-site construction project is like a vertical one conducted floor by floor, MIC manufacturing is like a horizontal one conducted module by module. So the MIC module is like a small construction project decomposed from a giant construction building. And next question is MIC manufacturing more like construction or manufacturing? On the one hand, the in-factory production reduces uncertainties, provides flexible facility layout and production space, and improves the work parallelism. On the other hand, MIC manufacturing still follows a similar construction process as conventional construction, such as the similar workflow, procedures of construction activities, and operation tools. Therefore, MIC manufacturing is like a combination of construction industry and manufacturing industry. And the production configurations are different in different status of MIC module production. So most of the production operations will be conducted in a fixed position because the MIC module is larger and heavier and it's difficult to be moved. So for the production line, it will be easier to adopt some technologies such as RFID system to monitor the whole production process. But for a fixed position layout, it will be a bit difficult to adopt the workstation-based optimization. Therefore, this research proposes a data-driven production process optimization, focusing on the detailed production operations to achieve a lean MIC manufacturing. And this research will scale down the optimization objective from workstation to production operation, which is more applicable for the production of heavy, large, complex, and highly customized MIC module. This operation framework has 4 layers from the factory to detailed production operations. Focusing on the production operations, this research will address the uncertainty during production to improve the standardization of production and benefit the worker training. The operation results can form a basis of the production management, which will also facilitate the production planning. Thank you.